Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus car key battery using an easy method. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new battery, typically a CR2016 or CR2032, depending on your key fob model. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small components from getting lost. This simple process takes only a few minutes to complete, restoring full functionality to your key. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side or bottom of the fob casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. Once open, you will see the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, you can now replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. Gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new battery, either a CR2016 or CR2032, and insert it with the positive side facing upwards, matching the orientation of the old one. Ensure it sits snugly in its slot. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test your key fob immediately. Check if the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons function correctly. You have successfully replaced your Lexus car key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.